Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we talk about all things ChatGPT. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can use ChatGPT for your SEO efforts. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT, it's a powerful AI chatbot that can help you generate high-quality content quickly and easily. Today we'll be exploring how you can leverage ChatGPT for your SEO needs. So what is ChatGPT SEO? Before we dive into how you can use ChatGPT for SEO, let's first talk about what ChatGPT SEO is and how it differs from traditional SEO. ChatGPT SEO is a technique where you use ChatGPT to generate content ideas, optimize headlines and descriptions, and improve the overall quality of your content. Unlike traditional SEO, which focuses on optimizing for specific keywords, ChatGPT SEO allows you to focus on creating high-quality content that's relevant and valuable to your audience. Advantages of ChatGPT SEO. Now that we've discussed what ChatGPT SEO is, let's talk about the advantages of using ChatGPT for your SEO efforts. One of the biggest advantages of using ChatGPT is the ability to generate high-quality content quickly and easily. ChatGPT can help you come up with new content ideas, optimize your headlines and descriptions, and improve the overall quality of your content. This can help you create more engaging, informative, and valuable content for your audience. How to use ChatGPT for SEO. So, how exactly can you use ChatGPT for your SEO efforts? Let's dive into some practical examples. One way to use ChatGPT is to generate content ideas. ChatGPT can help you come up with new ideas for blog posts, videos, or other types of content that are relevant and interesting to your audience. Another way to use ChatGPT is to optimize your headlines and descriptions. ChatGPT can help you come up with compelling headlines that grab your audience's attention and descriptions that accurately reflect the content of your post. So let's see ChatGPT in action. Let's take a look at a live demo of using ChatGPT for SEO purposes. In this demo, we'll be generating content ideas for a blog post. We have a blog about the care and feeding of hamsters. The audience is people interested in owning hamsters as pets and is looking for information about whether hamsters are good pets and what kinds of things you will need to keep and care for hamsters, plus tips and tricks to keeping your pet hamster healthy and happy and so on. Let's tell ChatGPT what our blog is about and who the target audience is. We'll use this prompt. Generate content ideas for a blog post centered around popular search terms with low competition in the pet hamster niche. We have a blog about the care and feeding of hamsters. The audience is people interested in owning hamsters as pets and is looking for information about whether hamsters are good pets, what kinds of things you will need to keep and care for hamsters, tips and tricks to keeping your hamster healthy and happy, etc. ChatGPT responds with ideas for blog posts about hamsters. Next, let's ask ChatGPT to generate some long-tail keywords related to the pet hamster niche. So I use the prompt, give me a list of popular long-tail keywords related to keeping pet hamsters. We could use any of these responses for great topics for our blog. As you can see, we've entered a little bit of information into ChatGPT and it's generating a list of content ideas that are relevant and interesting to our audience. Let's take this a step further and ask ChatGPT to actually write the blog itself. We'll use the prompt, Write a 1,000 to 2,000 word blog article about how often you should clean a hamster cage. Give reasons and examples. Make sure it is understandable to 6th through 8th graders. ChatGPT responds with a blog post suitable for our hamster blog. Be sure to double-check the results, as ChatGPT isn't an all-knowing oracle, it's just good at compiling information and looking for patterns. You, as the subject matter expert, must check the results for accuracy before posting. This is just one example of how you can use ChatGPT to improve your SEO efforts. We will cover detailed ChatGPT SEO strategies for websites, web pages, blog posts, and YouTube videos in future videos, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get notifications when those come out. ChatGPT SEO is a powerful technique that can help you generate high-quality content quickly and easily. By using ChatGPT to generate content ideas, optimize your headlines and descriptions, and improve the overall quality of your content, you can create content that's more engaging, informative, and valuable to your audience. What's your experience using ChatGPT for SEO? Have you found it helpful in generating content ideas or improving the quality of your content? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.